morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making Gujarati dal. Okay, for Gujarati dal you need to take tuver dal, and for in tuver dal you can add little peanuts and 1 full spoon of methi seeds. Okay, and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. It should be nicely mashed here. So let me add water. It should be the dal consistency. Okay, you can nicely mash it. You can add the water a little more. Many may not like it because there will not be any vegetables in this, and the Gujarati dal will be sweet in taste. Okay, so to this add required salt. Okay, I am adding the salt, and then this is ginger and chili paste. Ginger and chili paste. Little jeera powder and dhania powder and red chili. Haldi I have added, then red chili powder, and then it will be sweet. So I am adding very little jaggery. Okay, and then either you can add kokum or you can add lime juice. Here I am adding juice of 2 lime. Okay, now churn again. You can add little more water. Now bring it to boil. Okay, here the dal is boiling well. It is almost 20-25 minutes. So let me put off the stove, and here I have made a tadka of mustard seeds, then again methi seeds, and asafoetida and turmeric. Okay, let me give a nice tadka. Now no curry leaves for Gujarati dal. It's only the coriander leaves. Kothmeer we call it as. Only kothmeer. Trust me, this dal will be very tasty. In fact, Gujaratis every day they eat this dal. Every day. For the afternoon lunch, they make dal, bhat, shak and rotli. This is their usual menu. Every day there should be dal, bhat, shak and rotli. This is the dal that they eat every day. Okay. Let me just put it in a container and show you. The Gujarati dal is ready. Trust me, you will certainly love it. For a change, you please make this and give me your sincere feedback. This goes well with rice, hot rice. Okay, but Gujaratis take a bowl and just drink it, and sometimes they eat it with rice, but otherwise 1 bowl they eat. I have seen my father-in-law drinking 1 bowl of this dal. I also love this, but I love it with jaggery. You can omit jaggery if you don't like it. So thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like and the bell button for notification. And today I'll be making dal dokli. I'll be using the same dal what I have shown you today. Same dal I'll be making. So only the dokli I'll have to make. I'll just show you how to make the dal dokli. You have to make that also, and then give me your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Vitvela.